welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video I'm going to show you how to change Quora's profile picture. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Quora app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen you can see options like home, following, answers, spaces and notification. Go ahead and go to top left corner and tap on your user icon or your profile picture. Then tap on your name there. Once you do that, you can see edit profile option on the top of your screen. Tap on it, then select edit photo option. Now from the bottom of your screen you're gonna see three options there: take photo, choose from library and cancel. You can choose any of them. Select the picture that you want to upload or take the picture that you want to upload and confirm it. And guys, that's it. That's how you change Quora's profile picture. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.